pumasok sa eskwelahan ang ating mga kabataan, hindi pa rin sapat na sila'y magkaroon ng kaalaman at talino. Para maging handa sila sa buhay, kailangan din nila ng lakas ng loob. And how do you teach kids to develop this character in themselves? How about through a special children's book? Ito ang naging pakay ng Bear Brand powdered milk drink ng Nestle Philippines, kasama ang Children's Hour noong March 2, 2015. They shared the story of Alamat ng Matibay to the students of Bagong Silang Elementary School in Caloocan City.
So the story is about an adventure of Mina para hanapin ang kanyang best friend na si Sonson, at napunta siya sa isang adventure land na madami siyang nakitang challenges para makuha niya yung best friend niya na si Sonson. Sa dulo ay nakahanap niya si Sonson sa pamamagitan ng kanyang tibay ng kalooban, at na-meet din niya ang isang bata na ang pangalan ay Anino. And the story revolves around her adventure to find her best friend and finding ang kanyang tibay ng kalooban. Kami po sa Nestle, naniniwala po kami, pag tinuruan namin sila tungkol sa tibay ng kalooban, makakamit nila ang kanilang mga pangarap. So we partner with Children's Hour that we have the same objective in mind, to teach children to strengthen themselves para kaya nilang harapin ang kanilang mga pangarap. Since we started last January, nakapagbigay na kami ng about 1,125 books around the nation.
Ang Bagong Silang Elementary School ay isa lamang sa mga biniyayaan na makilala si Mina at ang kwento ng Alamat ng Matibay.
Well, we choose the school based on the need, and we also choose the poorest, most vulnerable, of course. Bagong Silang is our beneficiary for one of our projects. It's a project that deals with teaching the kids on how to fight abuse. It's called Keeping Children Safe Through Personal Safety Lessons with our partner organization, Children International. So we chose Bagong Silang because of that. In Bagong Silang, 300 books from Bear Brand. Bear Brand, they gave us 1,100 books. 300 books went to Bagong Silang, and then 100 books we're giving away to some of our partner organizations. So, and then we have 2 schools in Tondo and Pateros. We're giving away the others outside NCR in Bohol, Cebu, and Iloilo. We have a project called Bayanihang Pamparalan. It basically addresses the shortage of classrooms in the Philippines. So we all know that bullying is a big issue. I think that's one of the biggest ways to help and promote tibay ng loob to the children.
Dito sa Bagong Silang Elementary School, na-encourage namin yung mga bata kasi pinopromote namin dito yung love for reading. And so we have launched our project, which is Project Ana. Dito sa Project Ana na ito, na-encourage namin yung mga bata to read books. We have storybooks sa aming library for them to read. Dapat maka-10 books sila. Then after na mabasa at maintindihan, ay binibigyan namin sila ng certificate. Tapos pag na-accomplish na nila yung instruction namin na bumasa ng 10 books, nilalagay po namin yung pangalan nila doon. In that way, na-encourage namin ang mga bata para ma-promote namin yung love for reading. Kasi dun sa istorya nun, ma-i-instill natin sa ating mga bata yung value ng pagkakaroon ng lakas at tibay ng loob. We're so very, very happy na kami ay maging recipient nitong napaka-laudable project nito from Bear Brand and of course, Children's Hour.
Dahil dito, ang Alamat ng Matibay ay maaaring maging totoo para sa ating mga kabataan.